Introduction to Python. In this video, we will talk about what is Python, why Python, what is an IDE, and how to install the Python IDE called Spyder. So what is Python? Python is a programming language. Python is a general purpose programming language. You can do many different things with Python. Python is an object-oriented programming language. Most modern programming languages are object-oriented programming languages. Python is an open source programming language. There's a website www.python.org where you will find all the resources for Python. Python is currently the most popular programming language for analytics and machine learning and AI. Python has a huge user base throughout the world. Python also has a huge ecosystem of function libraries in the world. For a data analyst, it is extremely important to have some Python skills. Why Python? And specifically, why Python for analytics? So even though Excel is a great tool for analytics, it has a limitation. Excel can handle only about 1 million rows of data, just a little bit more than a million. Therefore, Excel is not suitable for data that exceeds a million rows. Now these days, companies must analyze data with billions of rows. Python can handle any volume of data. There are no limits. And since this course is about big data analytics, we must learn Python. What is an IDE? IDE stands for Interactive Development Environment. Any programming language, whether it's Python or R or Visual Basic or Java or C#, needs a development environment. In a development environment, a developer can develop code, that is, they can write code, compile code, execute or run code, test code, debug code, and then deploy code. These days, interactive development environments or IDEs are very popular amongst developers as they provide a rich development environment. There are many IDEs for Python out there. There's Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, PyScript, PyCharm, VS Code, and Spyder. There might be some more that I'm not familiar with. These are the most popular ones. Spyder. My favorite IDE for Python is Spyder. One can install Spyder by visiting spyder-ide.org. Spyder can be installed either on Windows or a Mac or even Linux. One can also use Spyder by installing the Anaconda Navigator by visiting the Anaconda website. I will now click on spyder-ide.org, and from here we can download Spyder for Windows 10 Plus. And if you click on the download button, you can see links for installing for other platforms. So I'm going to download for Windows. There, it has started the download. And once it has downloaded, I'm going to install it. I don't have to show how to install in this video. I'll also show you the Anaconda website. That's the Anaconda website, and you can do a free download from here. You can get started and you can install Anaconda. And once you've installed Anaconda and you run the Anaconda Navigator, this is what you see, the Anaconda Navigator. And you can launch PyCharm from here, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, Spyder, and PyScript. And there's some others, Python Anywhere, IBM Watson, and there's RStudio as well for R. Okay, so that's the end of this video, and in the next video I will give you a tour of Spyder, and then we'll get into doing analytics in Python for big data using the Spyder IDE. Thank you.